Hi, welcome back to my channel Ananya Ka Andaz, and today I am here with another haul video. So as you guys know, I am a big time shopaholic and मेरे को थोड़ा hyper fixating की भी बहुत आदत है. तो if I find something nice and if I like it, I buy it in many colors in all the variants possible जो भी मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा होता है. So I am starting a series today called इस महीने के खर्चे. So today I am gonna be showing you मेरे जनवरी के खर्चे, what all I have got. तो throughout the month में जो भी चीज़ें मंगवाती हूँ, I'll take clips of those things and then I'll put it together and I'll present this vlog to you at the end of the month, so that you know कि क्या नया आया था, मैंने क्या purchase करा है and if you should buy it or not. So without wasting a lot of time, let's start with today's video. Currently अभी Republic Day sale चल रही है हर जगह and I shop. तो मेरे को एक बजट मिल रहा था and I bought all of this and another parcel under 2500 rupees, which is also great. एक challenge की तरह हो गया. But let me show you all what I got. तो मेरी मम्मी थोड़ी इम्पेशेंट है, उनको जब भी कोई पार्सल आता है उनको सबसे पहले खोलना होता है उसको, तो वो थोड़ा एक पार्सल ऑलरेडी खोल चुकी हैं. सबसे पहले आई हैव this is the Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter something, and I've got it in the shade medium beige, shade number 3, and this product I've used it today. Amazing product, amazing product, very nice. I love this product. I used it as my primer today and I love the product. First of all, it's a great shade match, so I like that. And this is how it looks, and it's very blendable. It's very dewy, but not too dewy. मतलब पसीने जैसा look नहीं है. It's very minimal and very lightweight, which I love, absolutely love. I think it retails for around 200 or 300 rupees, and I have to say it's value for money, definitely. A lot of people said that it is a dupe for the ELF Halo Glow. I don't think that is true, but it is quite similar to it. I can say that. मेरे को मेरा ELF वाला shade match थोड़ा light लगता था, so for that I think it's quite similar that way. If you can see, looks gorgeous, both of them. But I would just say कि थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ELF वाला, just a little bit, tad bit more shimmery or dewy than this one. But if you want to get your hands on something less expensive, probably for a fraction of the price, then definitely go for it. 10 on 10 recommend. ये सारे products I have not opened yet. ये सारे अभी शाम को ही आए हैं. There is another parcel from Mars that I have. I have ordered 3 products from them, but वो अभी मुझे deliver नहीं हुआ. Let's see, मेरे लिए भी एक mystery है आपके साथ. Yes, this I was very excited for. I have got this Lancome का sample size perfume, and which is exciting, which is great. Wow. This smells really nice, but I'm not gonna waste it because बहुत कम quantity आई है. But yeah, that's cute. एक sunscreen मंगवाई थी मैंने from Foxtail because I only use Aqualogica. Like only, I have used at least 6 to 7 bottles of their sunscreen. I love their sunscreens, absolutely love them, absolutely recommend it. But I thought let's give some other sunscreen a try, so I bought this and I'll review it soon. Inside Cosmetics has my heart, it always has. और मेरे पास इनका ये एक lip glide on lip liner already था in some other shade, and I love that product. I have never seen a smoother lip liner with so much pigmentation, with so much color payoff, and it stays on. It really stays on. So I really like it. And this, oh my god, this is such a pretty shade. The shade name is 10 Loki, and I love this. और इतना creamy है. I absolutely love it. You can use it as a lipstick as well, and it's the best 75 rupees that you can spend on a lip liner, and I can guarantee you on that. So I highly recommend this one. Next product that we have is from Tira. So this is for the first time that I've bought anything from Tira. मैंने इससे पहले Tira से offline या online कभी भी shop नहीं किया है, and I was really excited, and everybody on my For You page was literally all about She Glam right now. So I thought ठीक है यार, चलो let's give it a try. But nothing appealed to me that much because I don't know, I just did not want to spend that much money on anything from them. But फिर भी मैंने बोला अब थोड़ा hype में give up करके कुछ ना कुछ तो मंगवा ही लेते हैं, because why not. So I ordered just one highlighter from them. तो ये डब्बे खोलना ना, 4 products के लिए ऐसी पैकेजिंग करके देते हैं ना, मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आता है. Very excited about this. सबसे पहले let's start from the cheapest thing, वी हैव दिस मिस क्लेयर की लिप लाइनर इन द शेड चॉकलेट आई थिंक. और मेरे को ये इसलिए मंगवाना था बिकॉज आई लव डार्क ब्राउन लिप लाइनर्स. दिस इज द शेड, आई यूज देम ऑल द टाइम एंड दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस kind of purple based lip liner, and I think this is going to suit a lot of lip combinations, so definitely I'm gonna post that as well. But I like it, color acha hai, and the price is also very decent. It's for 55 rupees, so what else to ask. Iske baad this is my Insight again. इसके बाद वाला प्रोडक्ट भी Insight का है by the way. I've got this Insight का hydrating primer. मैंने इसका दूसरे वाला primer यूज़ करके देखा हुआ है and I've heard that that's a dupe for the Benefit pore minimizing primer. This is how it looks. It's for 100 rupees and quantity is very cute, very demure and also very very travel friendly. So I have already used 2 tubes of that primer and I really like it. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो primer. It's very very matte and oh my god, एकदम pores blur हो जाते हैं यार सही में. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this really works. Highly recommend this one. It's very highly scented actually, very very heavily scented. I would recommend कि आप अगर sensitive हो, आपकी skin आपकी sensitive है, then you can go for the other variant that is absolutely scent free. Then this is again a lipstick from Insight and this is actually a restock. So I had this lipstick but अब ये खत्म हो गई थी मेरी, so I thought I'll just buy it because I am all in for nude shades all the time. अभी भी I'm wearing a nude shade. So this is in the shade Bougie and I really like this shade. I've used this once and I love this shade. It's a very very pretty nude pink shade. It goes with everything, Indian, Western, to wear it as is or to wear it with some other lipstick. It goes perfectly. And now the product that I'm most excited about, SheGlam. Okay, I can't wait. This is in the shade Vanilla Frost. I'm very excited about this honestly. जब भी मेरे घर पे कुछ आता है ना तो मेरी मम्मी बहुत एक्साइटेडली उसको खोलने की कोशिश कर रही होती है, बट आई एम लाइक वीडियो बनानी है अभी मत खोलो. मैं सोचती हूँ कि जब सब साथ आ जाएगा तभी खोलूँगी, बट एक्चुअली वैसा नहीं हो पाता. आई हैड टू सी इट क्योंकि अगर मैं आज ही नहीं खोलती तो मेरे को बहुत ऐसे रहता कि यार क्या आया है, कैसा होगा एंड ऑल. So this is how it looks. I'm very excited for it. Seriously, very very excited about it. First of all, the classic SheGlam packaging. Very cute, very very pretty. I'm not ready for it. Okay, wait. इतना सुंदर, एकदम iridescent sort of a shade it is. Let me blend it for you guys. That is the most pretty highlighter I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. थोड़ा सा लगा कर ही देख लेते हैं. I can't control myself right now. I've heard it's very pigmented, so I've just taken like a slight dot of it. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Do you see that? Literally, do you see that? Oh my god, that is the most gorgeous highlighter ever. This is without the highlighter, this is with the highlighter. It blended in seconds भाई. What the hell? ये 2 सेकंड में मेरी स्किन में गायब हो गया. I'm applying some on this side as well because why not? And I think this is complementing my skin so well. It is the exact shade of highlighter that I use. I'm never getting over this highlighter. I am never getting over this highlighter. Oh my god, this is the best purchase I've ever made. आपको लग रहा होगा मैं exaggerate कर रही हूँ ना बहुत ज़्यादा, but ये सच है. I love this product. It is so damn pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. 10 on 10 recommend. Worth every penny. Last 2 products that I bought from Blinkit. I bought these Velcro rollers from Blinkit and I've used it. I've used this one. ये मैंने वीडियो के लिए बचा रखा है. It works like magic. I have the Urban Yoga hot air brush and this I used it and it gave me the most gorgeous salon-like finish. It was amazing. 10 on 10 recommend these. I got both of these for 340 rupees and I think it's the best purchase I've bought from Blinkit in a long time. So I highly recommend these as well. When I get my Mars के products, I'll definitely be showing that as well. Guys, हमारा Mars Cosmetics का order भी आ चुका है and I've already reviewed this lipstick that I'm currently wearing on my Instagram, so you can check that out as well. But let's talk about the products. So first, we have this super pretty Mars blush in the shade Dusk. and even I haven't opened it, so let me do it with you guys. That is such a pretty shade. That is so pretty. Oh my god. So good, seriously, and also very pigmented, I must say. Smells also really nice. Next up, we have this. This is a lipstick, a lip crayon. I've already used 2 other shades of this lip crayon, and I know that it's amazing. Even though it's a lip crayon, it does stay on your lips for a very long time, and it's a matte finish lip crayon. It is in the shade I Am Strong, shade number 2, and I've got this for my mom because she wanted a red lip color, and honestly, I'm not complaining. It's a very, very pretty red shade. It's very deep toned, so I think that it will suit a lot of skin tones, but it's amazing. It's really nice. Next up, we have this super viral lipstick, and this is very nice. A blurring lipstick from Mars in the shade 03 Queen. I'm currently wearing it. Love it. Love the packaging. First of all, how pretty is the packaging? But other than that, the product is amazing. Though it's not transfer proof, but I like it. Next up, we have a freebie. So ये इनका double trouble lip crayon है. So I am assuming that it's the same formulation, just a different style. So this is also in some red shade. एक तरफ we have flamingo and दूसरी तरफ we have shade number Ferrari. This is shade number 1. Oh, very red for my liking, to be honest. मेरे को ये लाल रंग बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. It's very चटक for me, but anyway. Though it's a freebie, so we can't complain, but I don't like it at all. I don't think I'm ever gonna wear this. Iske sath with the lip crayon, we've also got this one sharpener from them, which is very useful, definitely, because I keep losing mine. But yeah, that's it for the haul. That's it for everything that I shopped, and this was all under 2500. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Love you.